Hello, my children. Today we'll start together lesson A, The Travels of Marco Polo, episode 4, April 1273. Let's read to find out the difficult words, then we will answer the questions. We are traveling on land. They are traveling on land, not on a boat like last time. Our caravan means a group of travelers, group of people who travel together. Our caravan travels about 16 kilometers a day. We see amazing things. Many months ago, we saw beautiful carpets. Here we have the carpets. In where they saw these carpets? Yes, in Turkmenia. But there weren't any flying carpets. They didn't see any flying carpets. Last month in Sardinia, I saw a fountain of oil. This is fountain of oil. The people use the oil for what? The people use oil for lights, heat, to be warm, and medicine. People in Venice don't know about this oil. People in Venice don't know about this oil. In China, people started to use it thousands of years ago. So people in China use oil in medicine. But people in Venice, they don't know about this oil. Last week, a tribe of Caranes attacked us. Yes, a tribe means a group of people. They did what? They attacked them. They rode camels and were very fast. There was a dusty mist. Yes, if we have a dusty mist, you can't see everywhere. The Karons know how to stir up the dust. The Karons know what? How to walk and pass by the dust. How to move away the dust. Luckily, we escaped to Hormuz. So they escaped. They went away to where? To Hormuz. It was so hot in Hormuz. It was so hot. So what did they do? A strong wind was blowing in from the desert. This is desert. They say that this wind can turn whole armies to dust because this wind is very strong. We found an oasis. We sat in the river to stay cool. We ate delicious dates and saw beautiful parrots. Now, let's find out the difficult words. Here we have some new words. Caravan. Caravan means group of travelers. Caravan, group of people who travel together. Or caravan, like this car or this van, we call it caravan. Desert, where we have a lot of sand. Desert. Tribe, group of people who live together. Tribe. Carpet. Oil fountain. Wind. Mist. Here we have a mist, so we can't see well. Mist, a lot of dust. Medicine. If you are sick, you have to take your medicine to be well. Medicine. Parrot. It's a kind of birds. Army. army, oasis, oasis, dates, dates. Now, let's read to answer the questions. April 1273. We are traveling on land. Our caravan travels about 16 kilometers a day. We see amazing things. Many months ago, we saw beautiful carpets in Turkmenia, but there weren't any flying carpets. Last month in Jordania, I saw a fountain of oil. The people use the oil for lights, heat, and medicine. People in Venice don't know about this oil. In China, people started to use it thousands of years ago. Last week, a tribe of Karons attacked us. They rode camels and were very fast. There was a dusty mist everywhere. The Karons know how to stir up the dust. Luckily, we escaped to Hormuz. It was so hot in Hormuz. A strong wind was blowing in from the desert. They say that this wind can turn whole armies to dust. We found an oasis. We sat in the river to stay cool. We ate delicious dates and saw beautiful parrots. Now ask your friend or ask questions about the story. How many kilometers? Yes, did they travel a day? Yes, 16 kilometers. Were there any flying carpets? No, there weren't. What did they see? They saw what? A fountain of oil. Yes, now you can work together and ask other questions about the story. Let's complete exercise number 3. Label the pictures. The people of Jordania use oil for, they use oil for what? Yes, light. And here, heat, to be warm, heat, and for medicine. Yes, so light, heat, medicine. Exercise number 4, read and mark the information. Write T for true and F for false, and correct the mistake or the false one. Number 1, Marco saw flying carpets in Turkmenia. Is it true? Mustafa? No, false. Yes, write F here. So, Marco didn't see flying carpets in Turkmenia. Number 2, people in Venice used oil for lights. In Venice, pay attention, Asma. False, yes, false. People in Venice didn't use oil for lights. Or you can write people in Venice don't know about oil. Number 3, people in China started to use oil thousands of years ago. Mahmoud, yes, excellent, true, right T. Number 4, a tribe of Karons attacked the Polos. Yes, excellent, true. Number 5, in Hormuz, the Polos sat in the sea to keep cool. Yes, Ala? No, false. Yes, false. In the sea? No, in the river. Yes, in the river. Number 5, write place names on the timeline. This line we call it timeline. Here, what happened first? After that, next, and finally. For example, the first one, 2 years ago, the Polos were in Venice. Many months ago, they were in Huh. Turkmenia. Last month they were in Jordania. Last week they were in Hormuz. You can read the passage again to check your answers. Now let's answer some exercises together. Choose the correct word. Number 1. In the past, people used to travel. Mahmoud, in or at or on land? On land, yes, on land. Number 2, a camel can travel 16 hours. 4, on a day. Yasmin, a day, yes, a day. Number 3, there weren't any flying carpets. Mahmoud, there weren't, yes, weren't any. Negative. Number 4, we don't know much about, on, at, other planets. Azza, about, yes, know about. Number 5, people used oil to or for or with light and heat. Yes, Mariam, 4, yes, 4. Number 6, a month ago, I saw, seeing. A month ago, a strange thing in the street. Yes, Yusuf. Saw, yes, saw, it's past. Number 7, a strong wind was skipping, playing or blowing in from the dust. Yes, Brahim, blowing. Yes, we say wind blowing. Yes, so a strong wind was blowing. Number 8, we sat in the river to stay cold, hot or cool. Yes, Ala, cool. Yes, cool. 9, we couldn't see the road because there was a dusty. Yes, you go on. Yes, Muhammad, missed. 10, the dog used or started or attacked them because they were strangers. The dog, go on, Abdullah. The dog attacked them because they were strangers. Excellent, boys and girls. Thanks for watching and wait for the next lesson. Bye bye.